Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Studio Rays. Doing some research, my favorite store, Amazon, I ended up finding a 3-pack C to C connector, and they just sent it to me. All right, so let's open it up. Let's take a look at it and see how it looks. All right, um, here is the JS Alt AZ UBS-C to C cable. This is a 3 amp. It's a 3-pack red, and of course, made in China. All right. So, just want to do a quick opening, see what you get. This is how you get it. All right, comes in this little envelope. So, I'm going to open it up and take a look at it. All right. And here it is, guys. Come in 3 sizes. All right. Little warranty card. I have a 1 foot. This looks like the 3 foot, and I have a 6 foot or 6.5 foot. So, for the price of getting 3 cables, I thought it was a good deal. All right, I put a link on where I got it. Right now, looking at Amazon, is going for about $12, and if you're a Prime member, that's free shipping. So, I am picking this up again because I like the three sizes. And I always didn't need a long cable, provided like if I go into my car, my lighter is right there. So I like this package, and let's take a look at it. Let's get a quick look at it. Actually, it's braided, as they say. I like this feature here. Again, back in the Apple cords, this is where it always failed when I had an iPhone. But since Google Pixel, I feel the USB-C cables were more durable than the Apple ones. That's just my opinion. So this is the original cord I got from Google, and again, nice sturdy cord. Never gave me a problem. I believe this is from my original Google Pixel 2. I believe well made. But this is the difference in the two cables. Both USB-C. This one definitely feels like it's made more robust. It looks a whole lot nicer. That's has a little rubber stop here. Look like something. So, yeah, I just want to give you guys a closer look at it. The picture looks nice. You definitely see how it looks on the website is definitely how it looks in person. But after getting it in my hand, it's well made. I like it. I like it. JS Auxiliary has a little logo on it. Again, this is the 1 foot. So let's take a look at it. Let's see, is it actually 1 foot? Lay down my little carpenter square here. Let's see. Yep, it's 1 foot, all right. 12 inches. So definitely a 1 foot here. So that would lead me to believe this is your 3 foot. And again, it's just the same thing. But just along that. Oh, I like it. They have they give you a little Velcro attachment. So when you're not using it, you can attach it, and it holds too. So I like that little touch there. So already attached to the cable. Again, it's your 3 foot. Again, it's not a long video. I just want to give you guys a closer look at it. If you're looking to do some research, if you're looking, there's so many cables out there. I mean, so many cables. So, and you never know which ones you're going to get. And by the looks of this, at the time of this video, it's ranking about 4.5 stars. So they have the 3 options, the 3 cables for this, and here's the power block that you get with the Google. So let me plug it in. Yeah, fits in. My kids have the Nintendo Switch, so I'm not gonna need all these cables. So I might end up giving them the long 6-foot one, so they don't have to bother me for my USB-C cable for my phone. Or better yet, I might just give them my older one. So, and keep these for myself. So again, I just want to give you guys a closer look at the cable. If you're on the fence on getting one, picking up one, I don't think you can go wrong getting 3 different lengths for $12. So it gives you the options on which size you need. So again, this is the JSAUX or JS auxiliary, I guess, cable, USB-C, and that's the look of it.